Hello students, ito naman yung second lesson about factoring at may title to na Difference of Two Squares. By the way, ito yung reverse nung special products natin na may title naman na Sum and the product of sum and difference, no? Ito yon. Kung babalikan niyo yung video, ito yon. The product of sum and difference. So, ito yung pinaka reverse niya, no? The other way around. So, how to factor the product of sum and difference. So, pero ito naman, ito yung yung difference of two squares. So, factoring difference of two squares. So, meron tayong example dito. Among the factors at saka yung special products, ito yung pinakamadali. Ito yung pinakamadali sa lahat kasi you will notice always minus lang yung niya, yung sign niya, no? Separated by minus sign. Tapos other than that, two terms lang siya. Hindi ito nagiging trinomial. So binomial always to. Laging ganyan. Kaya mahalata nyo to na difference of two squares to pagka ginawa nyo yung factoring. So again, paano natin to ginagawa? You will notice a third clue dito, meron pala tayong perfect square to. So katulad ng 4. So merong square root yung 4, di ba? 2. Yung x squared, perfect square din siya. So ito, no? So we have yung 4, pwede nating sabihin 2 times 2 yan. Okay, so kasi yung square root ng 4 is 2. Tapos yung x squared naman, ito yung x times x, di ba? Ayan, x times x. Okay, ayan. And then yung 36 class, ano naman yan? Square root ng 36, of course, 6. Ayan. So, 6 times 6. Ayan. So, perfect square to always. Okay. So, pag hindi siya nag-perfect square, ibig sabihin, meron pa siyang another factor. So, dalawa yan. Okay. So, answeran natin. And then, 4x squared. So, sabi ko nga kanina, ito yung pinaka-pattern yan, no? Ito yung pinaka-pattern. So, this is the pattern. The factors are only plus at saka minus. So, you're going to make two parentheses. Yan. At syempre separated by plus at minus sign. Yan. Syempre, we have the square root of 4 is 2. Kaya yung 2 na yan, lalagay mo rito. Yung 2 na yan. The other one, yung isang 2, lagay mo rito. Para pag multiply natin, 2 times 2, meron tayong 4. And then yung x, the first x, lagay mo dito yung x. The other x, lagay mo dito. Yan. And then 6, the first 6 here, lagay natin dito yung 6. And the second 6, lagay natin dito. Ayan. So, we have the product of sum and difference. Kaya pag multiply natin to, babalik tayo sa 4x squared minus 36. And presto, ito na yung pinaka-answer, final answer natin. Ganun lang yan kadali. Yan. Okay? So, next example tayo. So, again, difference of two squares, I have here a squared b to the fourth minus 81. So, as you can see, meron tayong dito, a squared. So, pagka in-extract natin yung square root niyan, or finactor natin, that is a times a, di ba? And then the other one, yung b to the fourth, okay, that is b squared multiplied by b squared. Okay, that is the a square root ng b to the fourth is b squared. Okay, ito naman yung 81, as you can see, that is 9 times 9. So, square root of 81 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, so ready na tayo para if extract yung factor nito. So, according to the pattern here, yung pattern natin, the factors are only sum and difference. Okay, isang plus here and the other one is minus. Yan. So here, the first one, yung A, lagay natin dito. A. And the second A, lagay mo dito. And then we have B squared. Lagay natin dito yung B squared. And the next B squared, lagay mo sa kabila. Ayan, B squared. And then yung 9 na isa, lagay mo rito, 9. And the other 9, lagay mo dito naman, 9. Okay, that's it. No? So that will be our final answer. Ayan. Kaya pag multiply mo yan, yung A squared, A times A, so we will have A squared. And then B times B, you will have B squared, B to the fourth rather, B squared times B squared. And then 9 times 9, you will have 81. Walang middle, middle term kasi magka-cancel out yan pagka ginamitan natin ng distributive property. Kaya wala talagang middle term. Ito talaga yung magiging answer talaga niya. Yan. Ito yung pinaka-answer niya pag ginamitan mo ng distributive property. Okay? So, next example tayo. Next example, we have 16a to the 6 minus 25b squared. So you will notice perfect na naman siya, no? So, perfect. Yung 16 is a perfect square, no? Get the square root. So, square root ng 16 is 4. So, we have 4 times 4. And then, a to the 6. Pag kinuha natin yung square root niyan, that is a to the third power times a to the third power. Okay, third power yan ha. Okay, next is yung 25 is also a perfect square. Kaya ang square root niyan 5 times 5. Also, the b squared is b times b. Yan, for the b squared. Yan. Okay, now. So, again, kunin natin, gumawa tayo ng parentheses. So, isang plus, so equals, isang plus, at isang gitna na natin. So, plus, and then the other one is minus. Ayan. Isang plus, isang minus. Don't forget that. So, again, yung first, 4 na yan, ilalagay natin dito. So, 4, and the other 4, no, 4. The other 4, lagay natin dito. So, dalawa na yung 4 na gamit natin. So, a cube, the other a cube, lagay natin dito yung a cube. And the other one, lagay natin dito yung a cube. And then, we have, and nagamit na natin. And then, we have 5. So, 5 here. The other one, lagay natin dito yung 5. Okay. And then, b. And then, the other b, put it here. Okay, presto, we have our final answer. Ayan na yun, no? Okay. Such that if you're going to multiply 4 times 4, you will have, okay, 4 times 4, you will have 16 here. Meron tayong 16. And then a cube times a cube, we have a to the 6. 5 times 5, you have there 25. And b times b, you have there b squared. Okay, there are no middle terms because that is sum and a difference. The product of sum and difference. So, the final answer there is yun, ito pa rin, kahit na i-multiply natin using the distributive property. By the way, this is our factors. Okay, factored form, no? Okay, so thank you for watching and thank you for listening.